Hi everyone. Welcome back to one of the most interesting video. Okay, so this is my backend is up and running. It's connected to database. Let me zoom it. Yeah. So now database is connected and server is running on a port. Okay. So most of the time, what you have done in a Postman is you have sent the body using this raw and then JSON. Okay. Most of the time you did this part. I know. So currently I'm working on one project. Okay, it's a doctor appointment. There I have used Multer, okay, to upload the files, okay. And in that, the basically thing is how you can send a file, okay, from your Postman to your backend, okay. So this is the example for this, okay. So you need to select the form data, and inside you have a key and the value, and here you can select the like text or file, whether you want to send the text or a file. Okay, so like that I have prepared one payload. Okay, so these are the field which is mandatory, and beside that you can see it's a text file, text, and at the end it's image, and the text and the file type is like it's a file only. Okay, and here the image, what you can do, you can click it here and you can upload from your local. Okay, so what happen if I send it here? Okay, and just wait, we'll get the 200 success. Okay, and here, and we'll check our backend whether we got something. Okay, we didn't get anything. Okay, let's see, let's restart and try it once more time, and we'll see. Sometimes happen. Okay, here is our let's upload one more time. Okay, and we'll see. So we'll remove this one, and we'll select this image. Okay, because it doesn't happen. Okay, so let's try one more time. It's happened. Okay, now it's there. Let's send it. Yeah, this time we get the success. Okay, you can see here the image file. Okay, and here the file name, here the original name encoded with 7-bit, min type image slash png, then the destination, and you can see the size. So that's how you can send file form data from your Postman to your backend. And let's see. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't console it, so that's why we are not able to see here, or else we will able to see. Okay, if I console it here, okay, let me remove this one, and let's try one more time. Okay, and we'll send it one more time. Okay, we got the success. Now see here, in our console also we got the success. So that's how you can use your Postman to send a image to your backend. Okay, you can use form data. So this is all. This is about how you can send a file from Postman to your backend. So if you like this video, please subscribe, follow, and subscribe, like, share, subscribe to your, send to your all friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.